I can run. I can run. He can come. He can come. I can sing well. I can sing well. I can play tennis. I can play tennis. Can I help? Can I help? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Can you answer this? Can you answer this? I could speak English. I could speak English. He could do the work. He could do the work. Could you tell me the way? Could you tell me the way? Could I use your pen? Could I use your pen? Could I use your phone? Could I use your phone? May I come in? May I come in? It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. May I eat? May I eat? May I smoke? May I smoke? May I go home? May I go home? May I eat this? May I eat this? May I go? May I go? They may go. They may go. She may come. She may come. You may stay. You may stay. It may snow. It may snow. You may sit. You may sit. You may be happy. You may be happy. May you live long. May you live long. She might come. She might come. It might rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow. You might use my phone. You might use my phone. You might use my pen. You might use my pen. You must go. You must go. He must be an Indian. He must be an Indian. I must help her at any cost. I must help her at any cost. You should leave now. You should leave now. How should I know? How should I know? You should work hard. You should work hard. Should I wait? Should I wait? Should I make a phone call, please? Should I make a phone call, please? He would smoke. He would smoke. I would swim. I would swim. Would you please lend me some money? Would you please lend me some money? He would read 8 hours per day. He would read 8 hours per day. Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like something to eat? Would you like something to eat? Would you like to buy this? Would you like to buy this? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.